Welcome back to Unbox. Today we are going to unbox a budget-friendly action camera and see if it is actually worth it. The camera cost me 15 Great British pounds. Now I'm not trying to find out if the camera is as good as a GoPro. What I'm trying to find out is what I'm getting for 15 pounds and what the performance would be like. The camera comes with waterproof housing, handlebar mount, helmet side mount, charger, quick clips and a USB cable. Let's get on with the unboxing. The first thing that we're greeted with is the camera, and below that are the accessories and the manual. The camera comes pre-installed within the housing. The camera is only waterproof when placed within the housing. The housing is rated to be waterproof for up to 30 meters. The removal of the housing is fairly simple, and all you need to do is release a clip. The packaging claims that the camera can record at 4K 27 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. The manual highlights most of the mounting combinations, the layout of the camera, and how to use and control the camera features. We have come to the end of the video now. Thank you very much for watching. I've added a few shots using the action camera. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you could please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.